friends. All right, this is a video about how to turn in your work on Google Classrooms. So when you have an assignment in Google Classrooms, you want to click on the assignment so it brings up the full screen where you can see what your work is. Now, if you have an assignment that you are typing directly into, then you will click on it. It'll show up under your work and you'll, write your answers, whatever you are going to say, and when you're done, it will have a turn in button right here and you'll click turn in. And then that way I'll know that you're finished. But if you have a project where there is not a template for you to use, you'll go to add or create and you have all kinds of options. So you can have already created something in your Google Drive using docs, slides, whatever. I haven't used drawings, but you could use drawings. So if it's already in your Google Drive, you'll click add from your Google Drive. And most likely it'll show up as one of your recent files, but you can find it in your drive here. So let's say this is my project. So I click add. And now it appears. What if you had a picture or something that you had on your computer? Well, what you would have to do first, if you had a picture of a project that you did not make on the computer, so like if you made a 3D model or if you made a drawing or something like that, what you would want to do is take a picture of it with your device, and I would say that you would want to email it to yourself. If you can't email it to yourself, like if you don't have an email address, then email it, see if your parents can help you out with this. So here I emailed this picture to myself. So I'm going to open up that email and I have my picture here. I'm going to right click on my picture with my mouse and I'm going to click Save Image As. And I think the easiest way to do this is just to save it on your desktop. I like to rename it just so I can find it, but you don't have to. And click Save. All right, so now it's saved on my computer. So what I would do is go back in to the assignment on Google Classrooms, and I'm going to click Add File, because that photo is a file on my computer. So you're going to click Select Files from your device because you're trying to find it on your computer. And now, because I named it Flower Picture, I'm going to have to find the desktop. Now, if you have a mouse or a Mac, this might look a little bit different. So you might have to have one of your parents help you, because I don't have a Mac where I can show you guys how to do this. So I'm going to find where it says Flower Picture. And I'm going to click Open. And then I'm going to click Upload. So now that appears. Okay? So you saw how to do it from Google Drive. You saw how to do it from a file. You can also upload a link if you make something that is either on a like a website or something like that, or you can generate a link from anything in your Google account. But because you can upload it directly from your drive, you don't really need to worry about that. You can also create it directly in this assignment, and it'll save it in your Google Drive just by doing that as well.